Hey guys, welcome to a review of 5 useful tips for your mobile phone. And we'll also share a bonus AI tip to enhance your mobile phone's capabilities. Let's get it.
Tip number 1. On your camera phone, push the power button twice. Your camera app will open and you can snap a photo or video.
So the next one is for Instagram. Instagram is a high quality setting which is off by default. So let's go ahead and set it on. This guy, guys, this is what real support looks like. My brother. Let's go. For your high quality uploads on Instagram, go to your profile logo on the bottom right, tap on it, move to the top right, these 3 bars, tap on those, go to settings and privacy, scroll down until you see data usage and media quality, tap on that, media quality, upload at highest quality. Turn this on and you're done. On iOS, go to your profile, tap the 3 bars on top right, go into settings. From settings, go to account. When you're in account, scroll down until you see data usage, tap on it, and in the middle you'll see upload in highest quality. Number 3, scroll down on your notification bar, tap and hold the Wi-Fi sign, go to your connected network, and on top you see Wi-Fi QR code. Tap on it, log in with your fingerprint or password, and there is your Wi-Fi code in a QR form. You can make a screenshot and save this, or on Android 14 there's gonna be a button here on the left that says save it, and you can save it to your photo gallery and share it with people. Tip number 4, open your camera app, push twice. On Android this is push twice on your power button. The native camera app will scan the QR code, and here on the bottom you see the Wi-Fi, and if you click on that, it will connect you to the Wi-Fi network. Those were the QR code tips. Tip number 5. We need to download an app for this one. The app is called Shazam. Go and download it in the Play Store. iOS, you don't have to download it. I'll show you after this. Go to your notification center and go to this pencil. Tap on the pencil, add it, and in your notification center on the bottom, you'll see Auto Shazam. Put Auto Shazam in the top and press done. Go out. Now, when you listen to a song or something in a restaurant, or you're something outside in a car and you listen to the song on the radio and you think, hey, I like that, I would like to listen to that later on, go to your notification center, push Auto Shazam, and Auto Shazam will listen to the track. Let's test it out. As you can see, it will find it and you can put it on your playlist or something. Shazam on iPad. Let's go ahead and put it where it needs to be. Go to settings, find control center, scroll down until you find Shazam music recognition. Tap on it to add it to the control center. Let's Find it in the control center and turn it on. It's down here. Let's put on a track and see what happens. So as you can see, it works really well, and you have a nice cover which shows you the track in Apple Music. That was it for number 5, and let's go ahead to the bonus. Welcome to the last part of the video, and welcome to the era of AI. There's a lot of things going on, Apple, ChatGPT, but there's one that got my attention, and that's Gemini from Google. Gemini from Google is in experimental phase right now, but we can already try it out under the name Bart, which I will show you how to install it on your phone or tablet and use it. And yeah, that's an introduction to the AI era. This is gonna be a game changer. That's why I wanted to talk about it. I will do that in another video, but for now, install it on your phone or tablet, use it, see what the capabilities are, and when the video is up, come back and let's talk about it, because this is a big game changer. Let's go ahead and install. Okay guys, so now that we got that installed, go ahead and use it to your heart's content, and remember, be specific in your questions that you ask from it and see what the results are. I'll see you soon. Peace.